What's going on, team?
Hello, hello. Wait, I don't think we're. Oh, Gabe, I think you. Oh wait, never mind. My computer was being slow. What up, everybody?
Oh man.
How we doing, team? Welcome back to another day in Print City, dude. These traffic lights today were filthy. I'm also doing some wizard shit right now. I sent it in the group chat. I did something interesting. I've already scaled out of it, but it's off the 4-hour.
Okay.
Let's see. I have like a wild limit order there too. If it actually goes nuts, it'll just sell out some of it. I already scaled out, but another scale out.
Man. Wow. Ryan Reynolds, actor turned serious entrepreneur.
Good for him.
Yes, sir. Kenny.
You.
You're welcome. You're welcome. All right. Let's see. Let me get this QR code added.
Let's do it. Yeah, team. Remember, make sure you guys are reaching out to Diana. If you want to upgrade to 3-year, I've got that stream coming out for you guys tonight. And again, everybody gets access to your first first month for $5, as you guys can see here on the QR code right there. Again, we've been telling you guys about this stuff for over a year. You're just being left behind if you're not in there with us yet. But again, you want to continue losing money in the market, it is your prerogative.
That's on you. That's on you.
Yep.
Oh boy, what's happening here? Let's see. Let's bring this on over. All right, cool. And all right, let's go ahead and take a look at these alerts here.
Let's do it.
And let's get Speed Racer in here as well. We're all good. Make sure that cam actually works. Okay, cool. It works. All right, guys. Let's get started. Let's see. Let's catch up to the chat here. And also, let me remove this from your face. Guys, go ahead and check out the trade1348.com. Every single time I drop this QR code, you will see a comment pop up in the comment section there, right? So that is your link. Go ahead, get your first month for $5. Let us help you print. Now, here we go. Let's do this. Let's get you minimized here. Now we are looking at Speed Racer. We have an Apple alert to the upside at 12:46. It just happened.
Here we go. Spy's looking like it wants to turn up a little bit too.
Here we go. We got Apple on the 1 minute. We got a traffic light. You're in on this candle. You're defending it here at this level at 150.92.
Mm-hmm.
That's all you need to do. Also, keep in mind the 3 and the 5 have yet to agree with what the 1 minute is doing here. So we go ahead and we look at the 3 and the 5. And the 3 is giving us some sort of, some confidence in this play. RSI above its moving average, RSI above 50. We have a potential cross on the MACD coming back up. Let's see what the 5 minutes telling us. The 5 minutes also breaking above its moving average, and the MACD and the signal line are trending up. In fact, on the 5 minute, we have a traffic light possibly to the upside. Do we get that at close? We will find out in 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Nice.
Christopher's asking about Speed Racer. Yeah, Speed Racer's been out for, I think, all of this week for all the lifetime and 3-year members. You guys have all had that for a couple days now.
Yes. Guys, keep in mind you have a level here on Apple at 151.23. And that's all she wrote. Now the 5, the 3 is flickering yellow here, giving you some confidence in this move, and so is the 5. This could be interesting. Guys, you're watching it live. You're watching the system live. You're seeing how it works. It's all about levels. All about levels and traffic lights. Now,
simple.
Yes. Now, you can go ahead and defend profit here at this level at 150.92. and or excuse me, excuse me, I got a frog in my throat. RSI, that was from sucking your dad. So
We can't do this again today.
so that's RSI coming down. If it comes down to its moving average, then you're gonna have to count on the larger time frames.
Mhm.
Okay, so let's go ahead and see what's happening here. Right, we do not have a candle close yet on the 3 minute. It's a minute and 50 seconds away, but you are getting a traffic light and a call signal.
Very interesting.
This is interesting. I'm liking this. I'm liking this. Yeah, I'm really liking this. So the 3 and 5 is what's going to keep you calm as you're in this play. Okay. Technically, if you got in around here on at the low of this candle right here, I mean, you are in profit. You are profitable. Just don't be greedy. Now we're just gonna wait and see how it plays out.
Mhm.
Right. On the 1 minute, we're also going to keep a very close eye on the RSI versus its moving average here. And there she goes. Look at her. Look at her.
Here she goes.
There she goes. Guys, you're watching this in real time. The system does, in fact, work. The question is, are you working it? Right.
Mhm.
This does not mean you just twerk in front of your chart to make the stock go up. That does not mean that.
Don't be
That's
doing
not
that.
what we mean when we say work it. Okay. Um, I'm liking this. Oh, what? Oh, there you go. Like, on the 1 minute,
What were you
you
looking
said
at?
that the candle
Oh, the
just
wick?
yeah.
That's why, yeah, dude. That's why you got to give your stops a little bit of room, team. Because if you see those wicks, sometimes it'll just take you out. That's why I give mine enough space to go after the scale out. Because that wick right there is gonna fuck you.
Yes, yes. But everything's looking good here. Now let's go back to our alerts here. Technically, guys, this is a profitable play. If you're feeling a little uneasy right here, you know what to do. Just secure the
Mhm,
bag, right?
mhm.
But the 5 minute, see, this is what bothers me. The 5 minute, you get that break of that moving average there in a 5 minute, and then this plays dead.
And everything starts moving back in the other direction.
Yeah. Yeah. So, but hey, we have all three trending to the upside. Let's see how this plays out. Okay, let's check out AMD. AMD on the way up, SPY on the way up. Let's check out SPY and then the Qs.
Yeah, SPY's just teetering, consolidating down here with all these traffic lights. You'll probably see a move at the end of the day. I mean, you're wicking on the SPY. It's just wicking that 384.31 on the 5 minute. So if it can get above that 13 on the 5 and then start moving back up, that's kind of what you're looking for here. 3 and 5 minute traffic lights back in the other direction.
Yeah. So what we're seeing here is you also had the traffic light here, but then the 3 and 5 never agreed on it, right? So then it's coming on down. It's coming back down. This is oh, is this where the market dies?
Kind of already died today, though. You're already down $7. Could it continue? Yeah, it could, but I don't know. I mean, the data was decent. The bank stuff looks like it's starting to resolve. I don't know.
We'll find out,
We will.
right? I'm in another SPY put up 20%.
There you go.
Okay. Let's see. Buy down. There you go. Buy down. You do have a level here. It's agreeing with the 3 and 5. All right. Meta death. You want meta death? Let's go ahead and take a look at meta then.
On the
Oh,
5, it's coming down. You've already gotten the death, though. I mean, if you were playing the 1 minute traffic light, you nailed it from 195. Dude, these traffic lights are fucking nasty. 195 all the way down to 192.75. $2 move on meta. There you go. Does this work on futures? Hell yeah, it does.
okay. Check this out. We're gonna do a replay on the 1 minute traffic light with meta here, right? So let's just play it out. We're rewinding it all the way back to the traffic light, right? We got red on the 1. Let's see. Then Do we get red on the 3? When does this happen? It's happening. There you go. Then the 3 comes in. Now, mind you, if you entered here, you establish this level here at the 13 as your risk. So you're just coming on down. The 5 finally agrees. And just look at her go.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So now we get to the present moment in time. And everything is literally checking out. So this meta death here, I mean, you made bank. You should have made bank as long as you were following the genie and following the rules. On the 1 minute, you see a little weakness here, right? You're essentially getting an RSI pop while it's kind of at a level. And this is expected. This is something we talk about all the time.
Mm-hmm.
It's expected, right? So let's go on over to the 3, see what's happening here. You have the 200 level here on the 3, right? So if you're saying, I believe it's going to go down more, you have to keep a very, very close eye on the 200 level on the 3. Let's see where the 200 is on a 5. The 200 on a 5 is all the way down to 191.56. Oh man, this could be a solid play.
Could be.
It's shaping out to be one. Let's see.
That Tesla traffic light here was nasty too. Rejection off the 1 minute 200 from 179.70 or 179.80 all the way down to 176.90. Again, if you aren't trading with the traffic lights at this point, I don't know what the fuck you're doing. It works on everything. Forex, crypto, stocks, futures, everything, dude. These things are a cheat code.
Oh, I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you guys crypto in a second because crypto is all the rage since, well, we're looking at Tesla here. Yeah, that traffic light was filthy on down.
On Tesla, yeah. You're right at a level too. I wouldn't be surprised if you got a little bit of bounce here.
On the 1 minute, you're definitely, yeah, you're getting down to just overextended to the downside. So oversold, and then you do have a level here. But you also have a level here. Let's go ahead and see what's happening on the 3.
SPY broke that 5 minute support, coming down to 384.
Sweet.
Is there such thing as crypto options? Yeah, they're just highly illiquid though. You got to be careful with those.
Yeah, this would be one of those things where you just trade crypto. Cody would love to have Forex alerts. You know, you guys keep saying we would love this, we would love that. Okay, we can do it.
We can do it.
We certainly can do it. The question is, are you guys willing to pay us more?
Yeah, because it's going to cost us a lot more in order to do that. It's not like we just get the data for free.
Yeah. Jeez Louise. Everybody's like, can you do this? Can you do that? Yeah, we can. It's just going to cost more. We are the cheapest in the land compared to our competitors who are charging $200-$300 a month.
To lose you money.
Yeah. I would say stop requesting more for less unless you're willing for us to raise the prices.
Yep.
Now, if you want us to go ahead and offer Forex in futures, yeah, we'll raise the price on you. Yeah.
SPY's just knifing here.
Oh, man. STV, I'm still chasing you on a day. Remember I told you I was done and I was done at 4% on a port?
I don't think you're going to get me. I don't think you're going to get me.
Where are you at? Where are you at?
I'm still sitting around 6.
You're at 6?
Yeah.
I'm coming for you. No, this is going to happen.
Okay. We'll see.
All right. You
can't even just let me have one winning day.
Man.
I can't beat you one day.
I'm ultra competitive, dude.
I know.
Ultra competitive.
I know. This is going to be fun.
Apple threatening a level. Let's see. Daniel Mitch, man, my SPY scalp now seems like it was a bad idea.
Which direction?
Jesus Christ. Here we go.
If you took the traffic light up and didn't exit on the traffic light down, you are not following the rules. Simple as that, man.
Wait. Hold on. Hold the fuck on. Daniel, I'm about to fuck your father. Because seriously, like, he gave you some bad genetics. What the fuck do you see here? You got a traffic light up. You got a traffic light even if you went ahead and...
1 minute. That's a 3 minute. If he's on the 1 minute, I mean, now it's traffic light up, immediate reversal in the other direction. I don't know why you would
It doesn't matter. You're following the rules. Your traffic light up, you hit a level, RSI brakes is moving average, you got this traffic light, you come on down. Why are you fighting against the chart?
He sold it too early.
He sold it too early.
That's what it looks like now.
You scalped it down from the rejection. Okay.
That's fine.
You had the 1, 3, and a 5 helping you out. I can't sometimes. Love you, Daniel.
You guys got to be more specific with what you say in the live chat because we will just assume you did something stupid.
Yeah, well, most of the time they do something stupid.
Exactly.
Sorry. Let's see.
1,000% on DVN? What the fuck did you do here?
DVN?
Oh. I can see how you did that. I mean, if you rode some, I mean, you would have had to have held that overnight. Was that a 4 hour?
Oh, that daily was disgusting.
Dude, the 4 hour got you in at 55. It's currently at 44.50. Jesus. Again, guys, these traffic lights are just, I don't know what you're doing if you're not using them. We'll just keep all the money and then not help you guys either. I mean, again, we're giving you guys that $5 for your first month. If you don't take advantage of it, more money in the market for us, dude.
Seriously. Okay, let's see.
Smart as fuck, but assholes. You need it though. That's the thing. You guys need the tough love. We're not going to sit over here and be like, "Oh no, it's okay." No. If you guys do something stupid, we're going to tell you.
Yeah. We're talking about money. There is nothing feel good about losing money.
Nope.
Nothing feel good about losing money. We want you to. You want us to make you feel good about losing money. That's why you got Wall Street Bets for. Go DGen over there.
And all those other morons telling everybody that it's a good idea to throw your money in nonsense. That's not us. If you guys fuck up, we're gonna let you know so you guys can get better and start making money.
All right. So when are you gonna start? Trade1348.com. Secure your first month for $5 before I go ahead and raise the price on all of your asses. Seriously. And I mean it.
There's something coming.
I mean it. Let's see. Let's check out. So we got Apple down, AMD down.
AMD
down.
just going up. It's trying to get over that 1 minute 200 there. I don't know if it's gonna be able to do it. If it does, it could get a nice move, but it's gonna need help from the SPY. Or it's flash. AMD's flashing a 1 minute.
This isn't pretty. 383.34. That's the lowest level I have established on the SPY.
Yeah, that's right.
That's coming from pre-market. All right. So who wants to do some call-ins today?
Hey, I'd be down.
Right.
I like the call-ins. The call-ins are fun.
Call-ins are always fun. 978-545-1348. Come get you some. Let's have that conversation.
Let's do it. Love the tough love. It helps. Exactly. That's why we do it. I don't think Daniel needs to call in. I mean, he sold a little early, but again, that's why we use this stop loss strategy. It's super simple.
Yeah.
Dude, the SPY's down almost $8 today. That's fucking insane.
Hey, my porch thanking me. I'm coming for that ass, bro.
I know.
I mean,
don't say it like that.
Not literally. We leave that to you, but I'm coming.
Let's see. I have some shit cooking here too. That if it starts to get cooking, you're gonna be in trouble.
Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Let's see.
What? Oh, do we have the number up? 978-545-1348. We didn't tell you the number. That's the number to call in.
Yep. We'll type it in. 978-545-1348. There you go.
Kenny, I'll do that later. Let's see. Oops, I didn't mean to do that.
It'd be crazy if we just see like market death.
Yeah, it would. I don't see the reason for it though after this sell-off, but who knows?
We'll find out.
We will.
So we have an incoming call. And welcome to the stream.
Hello.
Yeah, what's up, bro? It's KPR.
What's up, buddy? How you doing?
What's going on?
Not much. What's up, guys? I was calling in. Nobody else wants to call in, I see.
All right, what's up, bro?
Nothing much. I'm loving the speed racer. I'm playing on the 3 minute for the most part. I haven't quite got the 1 minute down. I do play it on the spot here and there. I feel like people, when they feel like the trade goes against them, they're not quite waiting for the trade to actually set up. They're trying to front run it.
Okay.
So and that's one of the problems I have when
you gotta wait. I mean, if you see the Speed Racer alert, you can't front run it. If you're trading with Speed Racer, it's impossible to front run it because you're it has to confirm the traffic light in order for it to go to Speed Racer.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think people have it in their head like, oh man, I gotta make some money, like Gabe was saying, instead of just waiting for the play to set up. So then they take it trying to front run, and then it's like, well, reverse, and then they lose out. So
yeah, I mean, you gotta make sure you're playing. Like I use another traffic light in the other direction as my risk almost every time. So if you keep it there, I mean, it's gonna be very, very hard to like completely fuck it up. Like if I see a traffic light down and then it immediately traffic lights back to the upside, I'm out of the trade. I don't care. Like it just doesn't matter. If it's not going to go in my favor, I'm not holding on to it.
Yep.
Is that what you're saying?
I took it. Yeah, most definitely.
Okay.
All right. So I think one of the first words that came out of your mouth is basically you got people who are like, oh, I got to make money. And I think that's definitely the wrong mentality to have. It's not like, it's not that you have to make money. It's you have to win the trade, right? Money becomes secondary. So make sure you're constantly putting yourself in a position to win the trade. The money comes, right? But the money doesn't come on a shitty trade. The money comes in a well set up trade. Exactly. So if you are going to front run, you're essentially putting yourself in a very shitty situation. Right? And all because you want to make money, or do you want to win the trade? Focus on winning the trade, the money happens. Trust me, bro.
Yep. And I didn't do it for a while, but I took you guys' advice, and I just took me a small piece of paper, wrote down everything I needed to see on the daily, and just fucking stuck it to my screen.
Good
stuff.
Keeps you disciplined, man. There you go.
Yeah, that's discipline is, if it ain't fucking first priority, you definitely blow that account.
There you go.
I did it last year when I first started with you guys. I'm like, I'm not gonna do that again.
Again, I mean, you gotta. That's kind of the thing. Like when you guys come into the system, you have to forget everything that you think you know because you don't know anything. Like that's the thing. Like it sounds harsh, but you have to like take that step back and say, well, in order for this to actually work, you have to listen to the strategy. Because if you don't, you're just doing the same things that you were doing before. And the main reason why people are with us is because they were losing before.
Yep. Yeah. as humans, we think we know every fucking thing. We don't.
Mhm.
You know, when it comes to this, you have to. And I don't really know shit unless it's exactly showing me this is what's happening.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
That's all I wanted. I give somebody else a chance to call in. Appreciate you guys.
Hey, man. Appreciate you
Have a good
calling
day.
in, bro.
Thank you, man.
Hey, brother. Take it easy.
Thank you.
Yep. All right. All right. Well, the spy decided to come alive.
Gabe, I'm gonna send you a screenshot of my wizard shit.
Okay. Wizard shit. Is it Mr. Wizard shit or just wizard shit?
No, this is wizard shit. That's off the 4 hour. So if you look at the chart, this is pretty recent. Where do you think I got this one? There's a really obvious spot, I feel like, is where it's right where I entered. If you pull it up on the chart, you're like, oh yeah, that makes sense.
Let me go ahead and take a look. Guys, here we go. I'm going to guess STV's
Oh, wait.
entry.
Throw it on the 5 minute.
It's on the 5.
Yeah, that looks pretty much the same.
All right. This is the 5.
Very
And what did you use to build your thesis?
4 hour.
All right. We're going to get
I'll
to
make
that
it
in a
simple.
second.
It's off the level right there that you see.
All right. We'll get to that in a second. Let's take this call.
Let's do it.
All right. Thank you for calling in. Who are we speaking with?
Miss Sammy Davis.
Hello. Can you,
Hello.
can you turn us off in
I
the
just have
background,
a
please?
question. Okay, I'm sorry.
Thank you.
I'm sorry.
I hate hearing
I
myself.
have a question about. I just started trading, so I have a question about why do some options pay and some don't, like picking the right option.
So we
Like,
only
some of them are
trade
green.
at the money or just out of the money options. Again, it's just going to be whether or not it's going to be a winning or a losing trade at the end of the day.
Okay.
All right. So what we want you to do is go on over to platform, and we sort of kind of like break it down, like if what strikes you should be playing. So guys, our platform is very robust. For instance, we'll pull up meta, and meta relative to price, right? You're gonna get the alerts. It's gonna let you know the strike. So now this here is, you guys choose which one relative to your risk tolerance, right? So you can play 2 days out, which would be Friday strike, or you can play next Friday strike, or you could play 3 Fridays from now. But it's giving you the strikes at 192.50, 195, or 197.50.
Mhm.
These strikes are there to illustrate the ideal strikes that you would be playing for that play, right? So we take the guesswork out of it. In regards to options. And ultimately, it's simply you're either winning that trade or you're not winning that trade, right? But we keep you within the confines of the system. And that's why we illustrate this data for you guys. As you can see, it's all right there. We built it out for you so you can take the guesswork out of all this stuff. Okay. So just go into platform, expand on the tickers, and you should be able to see what strikes we recommend.
Yeah, so it's more so about thinking like it's some options will pay, like it's hard to explain this in this way, especially if you're a little bit new, but there are going to be some stocks that technically can pay out more in terms of what their options are going to move, but that's really going to depend on where you're buying the contracts. If you're playing at the money contracts, that's typically going to be the safest. You're going to have some pretty smooth movement, but what you have to understand is that it's not necessarily the option price that's or the actual like option itself is the reason why you may or may not make as much money. It's more so the trade itself. So what you should focus on as a beginner is more so identifying where to cut a losing trade versus when to focusing on like, oh, this ticker is going to do this or this option is going to do this. I would recommend to you go in and watch all those curriculum videos that we have in there, and definitely watch those option trading videos in there too. I made those videos. They'll break them down and exactly what options are, how they move, very simply for you guys.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
And thank you for
Thank you
calling
for the
in.
call.
You guys are the best. I watch you all the time, every day. Well, I just started, so.
Hey, you got to start somewhere. Make sure you start off by paper trading. You sound very new. Paper trading, one of the benefits of it is going to help you understand a little bit more how these contracts move. So I would say for you, probably paper trade for a little while.
Okay. I will do that. Thank you.
Right, thank you.
Thank you. Gabe, those contracts that I just sent you a screenshot of are up 33%.
All right. So I'm going to go ahead and try to guesstimate this. I'm going to go ahead and break down your thought process. This is how I would think.
Can you do the Goog chart, not Goog L? Because there's levels. We have levels drawn out on the Goog chart, and Goog L is just slightly different.
All right. So we do have these levels here. All right. Good stuff. Either way.
You know where I did it, right?
Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just going to go ahead and guesstimate just the way STV thinks. All right. Let's do this. We're going to get you on over to the chart here. I'm going on over to the 4-hour, right? So this is what STV saw, right? On the 4-hour, let's let it load. He had a traffic light to the 4-hour. He was waiting for a candle break above the 200. He was not going to take this play unless he had a candle break above the 200. He got that established pre-market. Am I right so far, STV?
Yes. Now,
Okay.
I wasn't looking at it pre-market, but yes, that is something that I did look at as well when I saw it on the 4-hour, because I was just
Okay.
kind of going back and looking through.
All right. So you saw it on the 4-hour and you played it on a 5.
Yes. So my
Okay.
entry was based on the 5-minute.
Okay, so your entry was based on the 5-minute. So he built this thesis here. He went on over to the 5-minute, and this is what he did. This is exactly what he did. He went ahead. You son of a bitch.
No. It's gonna be. Do you know where it is? Because it's late. It's like way.
I know
later than
it's late. I know it's very late.
Yeah.
Right. So you're not taking this early morning move. You're not.
No.
Right.
No.
You got a traffic light to the downside, but then you have a level here, right? I'm thinking once you saw RSI break and traffic light hit, you used the 13 to protect yourself, and you just wrote this bitch up, and that's how your contract printed.
I wish I saw it earlier like that. But no.
Well, that's how I would build out this trade.
I looked at I'll tell you what I started looking at the 4-hour I literally looked at this like an hour ago. So I entered off the bounce off 94.50. And those contracts are now 36% on next week's that I've fully scaled out of.
Okay. Okay.
Do you see it now? It's basically a rim.
Let's see.
And then SPY was also selling off aggressively for, in my opinion, no reason. And then, I mean, Google was just holding up there. So if SPY came up for air a little bit, that thing was going to go.
Okay. Yeah, Algo's getting us caught up to speed here.
Yeah, I know. I see it.
So SPY making this run. And we got a call. Let's do this.
Hello.
And you are live.
Hello.
Hello.
Yo, what's good, guys? It's
What up, Tyler?
What's going on,
What's
brother?
good? What's good? Just wanted to come on here and I'm on a little red streak. Been negative the last 3 days.
What are you doing?
But I'm currently journaling, trying to figure that out.
Good.
I'm just sitting here.
That's cool. I think my major issue is just not taking profits early enough and like almost letting the what ifs get to me, and then it just reverses, and then I get stopped out.
Are you using the stop loss strategy?
And I think so. I was trying to use that yesterday, but like I was trying to figure out how much of a buffer to give my contracts, because I feel like if I give it too much of a buffer, like it's like too much like gains on the table still. Like I don't want to.
Are
But then
are you scaling out?
keep it too tight, then no, because I'm only playing with like 1 or 2 contracts.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, it's going to be more difficult to do it with one contract, but yeah, I mean, you're going to want to. So here's the way that I do it. If I have multiple contracts, I scale out. I give the rest of the contracts a lot of room. Just because at that point I can't lose the stops and profit. I mean, I've already won on the trade. If it's one contract, I would keep those stops closer.
Okay.
Does that make sense? Just so you can make sure that you're locking in the most amount of gains. I mean, you're gonna get stop. You're gonna have those trades where it comes back down, stops you out, and then continues to run. But that's you can't really get mad about that with a small account, because you need to focus on stacking up those base hits.
Yeah. So like, say if a trade runs for like 10% and I'm playing one contract, should I throw a stop at like break even, or is that still
with one contract? No, I would move it way higher. Like 5, 6,
I mean,
7,
with one contract, you almost want to go ahead and guarantee profit for yourself.
Yeah. I would almost just take that.
Yeah.
If it's one contract,
That's what I have. Yeah.
Okay. So okay. So hold on, Tyler. Let's rewind, right? So you're playing one contract, and you said your biggest problem is you're not taking profit when you should, right? Now, are you looking at the chart for indications to take the profit, or are you simply saying, okay, well, I'm up 5% on this trade, that's not enough? Like how are you coming to the conclusion that one, you deserve more in the trade, and two, that you're going to stay in longer to ultimately have the trade work against you? So I'm just trying to figure that out with you right now.
So I think it's a mixture of both, like, oh, I think this could run more, like 5% isn't enough, and also like I have a level in my head that it's like my target almost, and it doesn't hit there, and then it will reverse.
Okay.
And then I don't take it.
All right. So you have levels on your head. Now, are these levels in your head influenced by levels on the chart?
Yeah. Like I mean like a level on the chart.
Okay. All right. So you know what? The trading question, give us a timestamp on this one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'd like to see a timestamp on one.
Let me see. Hold on. Let's do this one. It was today at 11:33. It was 5 puts on the 1 minute.
11:33.
Yeah.
On the 1 minute.
Yeah, I see what you're trying to do here. So,
okay. So he didn't play the traffic light. Wait, here we go.
He might have, but
he was trying to play the rejection off the level right here at 386.76. Right.
Yeah, you've also got the 200 EMA right below. So that's going to be an interesting trade. Tyler, did you see the trade that I had breaking through the 200 EMA this morning?
No, I didn't. Wait, why does your chart, wait, whose chart is up? Is that Gabe's?
Yeah, that's Gabe's.
We're talking today, right? At 11.
Wait.
At 11, what'd you say?
Yeah. 11:33.
11:33. So that gets us in on this candle here.
What expiration, Tyler?
Just highlight like your tomorrow.
Okay. If you're entering at 11:33,
Wait. Oh no, guys. I think I don't have real-time data. Oh no.
Okay.
that's the
Bye,
issue.
Tyler.
That's gonna be the issue, Tyler.
Bye, Tyler. Love you. Call again tomorrow.
All right, see you guys later.
Bye, Tyler.
Come on, guys. Come on.
If you're going to play the sport, make sure you come in with all your padding, your equipment, your protection, and please wear your cup. That's the
Mhm.
most important part. In real-time data is your cup.
Come on, guys.
Tyler, we
Tyler, I
love
still
you.
love you, but come on, buddy.
And I feel like this is that moment where you probably just end up becoming the world's most famous trader.
He's like, oh shit. He knew exactly what he did. He's like the kid that forgot his cleats. Mom, can we go home?
Oh my god.
What happened, honey? I forgot my cleats.
Forgot my cleats, forgot my jock strap. It's like, hey, yeah, see, STV, like, you better be wearing a jock strap when you tell somebody, like, hey, I fucked your father. They'll kick you in the nuts, and then, like, hey, you're the one who's fucked.
Never happened to me.
You never got. Please tell me you were wearing a jock strap, dude. If you're gonna bring that smoke, you
No,
better
I
be
don't.
prepared for all of it right back.
I never wore a cup in football games. After they just stopped checking, I was like, this is stupid. I don't want to wear this. And then I was fine every time. I did, however, knock myself out once on the field for like 2 seconds. That was an accident. I didn't mean to do that, but it ended up happening. And I was fine.
You need real-time data. You need real-time data from your brokerage, all of you.
Mm-hmm.
You need real-time data on the TradingView charts. That's NASDAQ, New York Stock Exchange, and ARCA.
Mm-hmm.
You need real-time data. Wait. So let's talk about this story and how you knocked yourself out. I'm just
I was running, didn't see this guy. It wasn't like a blind side, but we just like I just hit my head the right way, and it was just like this, and then all of a sudden I was just like I woke up on the ground, and I was like, this is weird, and then everything was happening like way the fuck over there, and I was like, how? That's weird. I don't remember. I thought I was right next to everything. I wasn't. That was bad. But I was fine. I kept playing.
okay.
Never mind. I also thought I was gonna die as well because I had mono my senior year, and they were like scaring me because like your spleen gets too big, and if you get hit, it can rupture, and then you have 15 minutes or you die. So when I came back to play football, I was like, oh, that's probably not great. Also, I'm now up 7.25.
Okay. It's winning loser.
Oh,
He's calling.
he's got to keep it in the zoo.
All right, let's do this. What's going on, brother?
¿Qué pasó?
Keep it in the zoo, buddy. We don't need any wild shit today.
I know. I'm keeping it. I'll promise. I keep it in the zoo. I just wanted to say again, thank you guys very much. I had 8% day today. I jumped in on a SPY call, a 0 day, for like $80 for a target price of $390, because I figured since the average true range of the SPY is about $6 to $7 in any given direction. And when I saw the sell off this morning, I was like, it has to come up at least a little bit for some air. And then I think right around when it popped up to about 387, 86, I'm not looking at my phone right now because I'm kind of hiding in the car that I just finished. But I sold those contracts for about I bought 6 contracts, and I sold them for 105 or no 107 actually.
Nice.
107. So I made 27 bucks a contract, and
Pretty good.
I'm trying to. I've been doing a lot of big double-digit days, and I found myself. I decided not to trade yesterday because I wanted to try to gain some control. You know what I'm saying? I wanted that balance.
Mm-hmm.
I want to try to find that balance because I found myself getting addicted to seeing double digits.
Yeah.
And that can be a very unhealthy thing, right? Because again, I don't look at my account in dollar amount. I keep my account at $2,000 if I'm going on double, if we're going to go off like cash, right? And all my wins, when they clear, I pull them because previously what I had found out when I had about $8,000 in my account last year, I found myself wanting more and wanting more and wanting more and just keep looking at the dollar amount. And so I find that if I just keep a small dollar amount in my account, it helps me focus more.
Yeah.
And even though I still take on a lot more risk, but again, I keep my stop loss at like 2 to 3%, 3% max.
Nice.
Because if I'm going in with 30 to 40% of my account, then obviously you have to keep your stop loss a lot less. So, but I just figured I'd call and say and stuff like that. But what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to start trading less and taking some time off. So I'm not so I don't get that tunnel vision that I felt that I was getting. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And then that's when you lose balance. That's when you can become unbalanced. And I'm still a new trader, so I have no problem. You know, what's the word I'm looking for? Just trying to keep control. You know what I'm saying? Because again, like I said, dude, I was a fucking heroin addict 8 years ago, and I know how my addictive personality can work. And so when I started finding myself just becoming really fucking hungry for those double digits, you know, that's when I was like, whoa, okay, bro, you got to kind of take a step back because that's how you're going to blow your shit up.
Yep. That's
All
smart,
right.
man. I think you're doing everything right.
I don't want to be Superman. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I don't need to be Superman. I don't need to be the hero of the day or anything like that. So, yeah, keeping it in the zoo. That's all. That's all I can do.
All right, man.
Good job, buddy.
Thanks for calling in.
But-
And
but-
STV
yeah, no
has to
problem.
go live.
Oh fuck, I
Yes, he
do.
does. Yes, he does.
Oh shit.
And my dad my dad thinks you're handsome at FTV.
That's great. I don't actually fuck people's dads. I just say it. I just lie to them.
I know. And I'm gonna use that line from now on. Anytime someone gives me some bullshit, I'm gonna be like, dude, I just fucked your dad last night.
No. You can't say
I
last
love
night.
it.
You can't be specific with anything. You just the way that I said it is
Okay,
the
all
only
right,
way that
that's
you
good.
say it, and it works every time. If you deviate, that's when things become a problem.
There you go.
Right. Well, I told my boss one day that I fucked his dog, and he was just like, "What?"
The dad gets him. The
The
dad gets him every time. I haven't whipped it out in a while, but it's a good one.
You two need to hang
It is a
out
good one.
ASAP.
All right.
Yeah, I know. I want to take winning loser to the playground.
All right. Later, brother.
All right. That's fine. All right. Have a good day.
Peace. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, STV, drop your link in the chat.
We are
Let them
going
know
out.
where to go.
Let's see. Here it is. There you guys go.
There you go.
And all you guys in here too, make sure that you guys are reaching out to Diana before the end of the day if you do want to upgrade to 3-year to get that stream tonight where we're going to go over TLT and some swings. I mean, we'll go over the Google thing that I just did. I've been doing this all week, guys. I mean, it's nasty.
It's absolutely nasty.
I had to sell the rest of the Google. I was like, I can't let 42% gains just sit there.
Yeah, you can't. No. No.
Like I was just scaling out. It hit 42, and I was like, all right, I'm done with this shit.
All right. I'm still gunning for you. I got the rest of the day. I'm done with streams. Time to trade. Peace.
Tita, what? You have a new goal: 7.5%.
Fuck you. All right, man. Later, peeps.
Later, team.
Rowdy.